Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use ServiceTitan for beginners. So as you can see, in order for us to use the actual tool is we have to get the demo first. So just visit their website. Okay, so using the search bar at the top, just have to search for servicetitan.com and it will be directed to their website. And once you're here, you just have to tap on the get demo option. So you just have to choose what is your company's main industry and how many technicians work at your company. So for example, one tech. And do you have at least one full-time office employee? And what kind of jobs does your company focus? hmm And then here, you just have to provide your details, agree, and get started. And then after that, you just have to wait for them to send the demo tool. But currently, we cannot really request for one right now, but I'm still going to discuss to you the different things that you have to know, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, so as you can see right here, Service Titan is the number one software for commercial and residential trades. It is because, as you can see right here, for their solutions, they have for commercials, service replacement, construction, enterprise, private equity, and sales prospecting. And of course, for the key features, it has Atlas, CRM, project management, and more. And for the trades, as you can see, we have for mechanical, refrigeration, plumbing, electrical, and more. So let's start with the commercial. All right. So here, as you can see, for the commercial, um, from HQ to boots on the ground, software built to holistically support commercial service business. So they have service agreement. So here you can deliver high quality work on time and identify pull through work opportunities to maximize the profit on every contract. Now for the equipment scanning, so you can accelerate data entry and remove the manual errors with the equipment model and the serial number scanning right from your mobile device. And of course, reduce the overhead and the unlock more revenue by giving your customers 24/7 access to self schedule, make payments, and access equipment's data. And of course, save time and boost the efficiency by automating how you allocate resources and communicate with employees in the field. And it increase your working capital and reduce the cost with automated billing processes, a central place for viewing and managing all your financial data. And it has a reporting. So you can power the profitability with real-time costing and proactive budget tracking to keep the jobs on budget and efficient. So here for the pipeline management, you can gain a clear real-time view of the entire sales pipeline to track the opportunities from early stages to close. So easily prioritize the highest value deals and maximize your revenue. And you can quickly review the critical sales details at a glance to keep your sales workflow efficient and focus on closing high priority deals. And you can log every call, email, and note directly to your customer records to keep your teams aligned and improve the opportunity follow up. And keep your team organized on tasks by assigning and tracking every to do and follow up. Make sure the critical actions or for complex bids are always completed on time. And you can easily convert convex leads into sales opportunities, ensure a smooth handoff, and help your sales team take immediate action by transferring convex leads directly into Service Titan. So with the sales place, automate the opportunities discovery so nothing slips through the cracks. From expiring warranties to new service findings, sales place identify and create opportunities for your team automatically so you can focus on selling, not searching for leads. Okay, so now let's proceed to the service and replacement. Okay, So again, for the service agreements, it's just the same. That's right. So yeah, with the help of this one, okay, so you can actually automate the proposals, streamline maintenance, and turn every visit into profit. So with the Service Titan, your tasks work faster, your margins grow, and revenue opportunities never slip through the cracks. Now let's go to the trades. So for the mechanical, all right. So here, the benefits of using the Service Titan for your HVAC business is that it boosts the workflow efficiency, impress every customer, achieve the maximum profit, and scale beyond your goals. So again, for the commercial, we have here for the HVAC. So generate and send branded professional proposal and quotes with multiple options that automatically convert to agreements as soon as your customers accepts. And for the job costing, gain real-time job costing insights including labor, materials, and profit margins to accurately bid every commercial HVAC job and hit their revenue targets. And access the actionable data on equipment history, customer insights, and invoices from a central hub that's easily accessible from the field of the office. So, for the service agreement, easily manage recurring services for commercial properties and gain deep insight into the HVAC contracts to boost the profits and efficiency on every agreement, and streamline the accounting task within a centralized hub to gain financial insight, take control of cash flow, and make a smart decision with data that you can trust. All right, so let's proceed to the next one. Let us try to select the plumbing. Okay, now for the plumbing, again, let's just focus to the construction. All right. So here, you can actually monitor the progress, the costs, the timelines, and profits accurately and in real time for every construction job to identify the risk and to allocate resources effectively. So that's for the project management. Now, for the billing, the complex construction projects require simple payment terms that follow the AIA billing standards. So billing software simplifies collecting payments at every phase. And for the construction plumbing projects, it requires all hands on deck. Keep track of your entire team with accurate performance insights and real time capacity management. All right, so now if you want to know more about this tool before actually requesting for a demo and then subscribing to their plan, you can just visit your website and then explore what kind of advantages and service that they can offer to your business. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.